welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a shopping spree. I just want to show you all the new products I've picked up. So I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change your notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so I have picked up a few products on sale from a few different websites. So I thought I'd just combine them and show you guys what I've picked up. If there's anything that you would like me to feature in upcoming videos, then let me know down in the comments so that I can make sure that I do that for you guys. Okay, so let's start off with the biggest product. So I picked up some more face halos. These are in the pro ones, so they are the black. So they come in a packet of 3. So I already have 2 of the black ones. I actually gave one to my mother-in-law from the last pack that I brought, and I absolutely love them. So I thought I would grab some more because I always have one like in my travel bag. I have one in the shower, then I have one at the basin. So it'd be good to have a few more so that when they're in the wash, I still have some in the shower and at the sink. So yeah, I thought I'd grab some of them and they were on sale as well. So yeah, I thought I would grab that. I really do love those product for taking my makeup off. It's so gentle on my face and it pretty much gets all the makeup off. It just really needs like an oil cleanser when you've got like waterproof mascara on, but otherwise if you don't, then I can pretty much get everything off my face with just water and that product, and I don't even have to scrub it. So I really do love the face halos. So my next product you would have seen in a video that I've already posted, and it was the Milani Bold Obsessions palette. So I actually brought this palette because I've been looking for a really nice black, and I tried one of my mother-in-law's Milani palettes and really liked the black in that. So I thought I would pick up one that had it, and I'm really enjoying this palette. I've done a few looks with this already, and I'm excited to keep playing with it. So my next product is a Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. So I haven't actually heard anything about the highlighter. I know that their bronzer is amazing. I have it and I use it every single day. It's on my face right now. So I thought I would give their highlighter a trial as well and see if it's just as good as the bronzer. So I'm excited to play with this one. I picked up from Milani as well the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in Porcelain 00A. So very excited to do this. I'm thinking of doing a Milani face, but I just got this for my foundation concealer. I've got a Milani palette and some Milani lipstick as well, but I don't really have any other Milani products yet. So I'll just see how I go, if I get any more products or not, depending on what video I end up featuring this in. But I'm very excited to try this because there's been a lot of good reviews on this, and I am always looking for another foundation because I only have the one foundation that works with my skin so far. So I'd love another one to, you know, go between and have my skin look perfect as well. So very excited about that. My next product is, yeah, again, Milani, and this is one of their lipsticks. So what color is this? Dolce Caramello number 27. And it looks like this. It is absolutely stunning. Absolutely beautiful. So I can't wait to use that. So my next product is by Maybelline, and it is a lipstick in number 75 Undressed Pink. So it comes in this packaging. So this is what it looks like inside, and this is it here. So again, another stunning color. My next product is from LA Girl, and it is the Shady Slim Brow Pencil. So I've heard lots of good things about this as well. I picked it up in the color taupe. I'm not sure how this color is going to work for me because the lid is quite light, but we'll see when I play with it. It was only a few dollars, so if I got the wrong shade, then that's okay. I can purchase another one. I also picked up the LA Girl lip liner in Soft Sienna, and this is a really nice color too. So that's it there, and it's really pretty. I picked up the L'Oreal Paris Plump and Set Brow Artist. So it's a brow like serum and gel, I think. It is just transparent, so it's just a clear one. So I thought I'd give that a shot because I have run out of my e.l.f. one. I picked up some Maybelline Superstay ink crayon, and this one's in the colour Seek Adventure, number 30. So it looks like this on the inside. And again, yeah, just a really stunning colour. Next up, I picked up some Burts Bee Gloss Lip Crayon, and this is probably the one that I'm the most excited about. I just tried out the Burts Bee Ultra Conditioner Lip Balm, and I really love it. I've been using it almost every day since I've opened it. So I'm very excited to try another one of their products because, yeah, it's ultra creamy and absolutely beautiful on the lips. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and let's put it underneath. Wow, that is ultra creamy as well, and you can see it's like glossy. I'm very excited to use this one. Next I picked up some Gloss Topper. Is Holographic by LA Girl. So I was able to grab this for a few dollars. I always love to put some sort of gloss over top of my lipstick, just so then it's more hydrating and not so drying. And the last product I picked up was from the Quick Flick, and it's the Quick Lash Adhesive Liner. So you apply the liner and then you attach the lash. So it's cruelty-free, restickable, windproof and vegan. So give irritating lash glues and magnets the flick with Quick Lash Adhesive Liner for fabulous windproof lashes in a flash. Shake product and apply 2 to 3 swipes to the skin above your lash line. For extra hold, also apply the product on your false lash band. Allow Quick Lash to absorb and turn tacky. Use soft to medium pressure to press your lashes into place. For best results, trim your lashes to size and ensure skin is clean and oil-free before use. So it's one of their new products, so I'm excited to try this because I do love their Quick Flick stamps. So yeah, I picked that up. That's in the colour black, so I'm going to give that a shot. So that is what I have been purchasing lately. So if you want to see me feature any of these in my future videos, don't forget to leave a note in the comments for me and I'll make sure that I do that. Otherwise, I will just slowly add them into videos as the days go. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.